This is the Iowa Weather Report for Sunday, February 10th, 2013. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today we have a storm system moving through the middle part of the country, including Iowa. We have a low pressure centered somewhere around the Siouxland with some energy coming in from the central and southern plains. And we'll have some showers, maybe a rumble of thunder, especially in the morning hours to the east. Changing over to a bit of a wintry mix over the northern and western counties with highs varied from the 30s to the 50s in the southeastern part of the state. Then Monday, the cold air sweeps across the entire state. The rain will change to a little bit of wintry mix and snow Sunday night into Monday. We'll have some lingering flurries with mainly cloudy skies and highs in the 20s and 30s. Then Tuesday, that's off to the east. New storm begins to form along the stalled front across the south and into Texas and Oklahoma. Otherwise, here we'll see some sunshine with highs in the 20s and 30s. Heading into Wednesday, that storm moves across the south, while we have another storm to our northwest that'll be bringing another surge of cold air from Canada. Highs a couple degrees either side of 30, mainly across the state with plenty of sunshine around. Thursday, that storm moves in with a bit of snow shower activity. Best chances of seeing any snow will be up in northeastern Iowa, up into Wisconsin, Minnesota. With cold northwesterly winds behind that clipper system, it's going to plunge the temperatures. High pressure over North Dakota here Friday. We'll likely see highs maybe in the 20s, and we may be struggling into the 20s. Maybe a few clouds with a bit of snow or so. Then next weekend here Saturday, it's just going to be very, very cold. Some lake effect snow across the Great Lakes. Highs in the teens and 20s. Lows in the single digits and teens. It's just going to be brutal. Even a week from today, the pattern starts to flatten out. We have the trough over the east. We have some more energy coming across the Pacific Northwest. And with this, if this pans out, we'll have maybe some moderating temperatures, winds coming back out of the south and west, so temperatures may be nearing the freezing mark by that point, with another system across the U.S.-Canadian border producing some snow in that part of the country. A couple days after that, on the 21st, heading into Voodoo, we have a system moving across the U.S.-Canadian border again, another moving across the southern jet stream across Oklahoma, another storm way west of San Francisco, and at the surface we'd have a little bit of snow activity across Minnesota, Wisconsin, into the UP of Michigan. Some rain across the southern plains. Maybe a bit of snow in Kansas, but nothing around here of any significance except maybe a few clouds. And at the end of the forecast here on the 25th, now we saw this was on the 18Z run earlier as well. And it is here again, a trough axis to the west, really digging across the southern part of the country, and this would be a massive storm system with rain, thunderstorms, snow, blizzard conditions. But this is 2 weeks out, and this is likely to change on the next run. Last night's satellite image had a storm system across the middle part of the country. This will be producing some snow across the plains and into Minnesota, maybe some rain and thunderstorms from here southward. Nothing else around the country. The watch warning map from last evening, the storm in the northeast is long gone, so now our attention turns to the blizzard in the Midwest and in the plains. Blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories, wind advisories, all across the center part of the country. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Thursday evening at 6 o'clock, showing some decent amounts of rain across the south and up the east coast, mostly snow from Nebraska northeastward, and some accumulations and some precipitation around here.